In this video, we will show you how to replace your 7440 reverse lamp bulb. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To access the inside of the tail lamp to get to the bulb, we're going to have to remove the inside panel. On this panel, you're going to find 5 of these black clips. Underneath that cap, you're going to find a square head screw. Let's pop this out of the way. You can use a trim tool or small prying device. Now let's go all the way up to the top. We'll find another one up here. Follow it over towards the front of the vehicle. Down to the bottom. Remove your panel. With that out of the way, let's continue on by removing each of these. Keep in mind, as you remove your final one, there's nothing else holding the lamp in place aside from the wiring. Make your way outside of the vehicle, carefully grab that lamp assembly, and remove it. Now once you've done that, you can easily access your bulbs from the backside. With the lamp assembly out of the vehicle, we can continue on. The third bulb socket down is the one for your reverse lamp. Let's grab that, give it a turn counterclockwise to remove it from the backside of the assembly. Take hold of that bulb and carefully pull it out of the bulb socket. All right, friends, let's get ready for our installation. Take your brand new bulb and slide it in place in the bulb socket. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secured. Once you've done that, line it up with the back side of the lamp assembly. Twist it clockwise to lock that in place. Now let's take that lamp assembly and put it in place. Make your way inside of the vehicle. Let's put on our plastic nuts here. Once they're both started, snug them up. Let's continue on by putting on our side panel. Put this in place and put in all of your mounting screws. We've got our long one for the bottom corner here. Now that they're all started, let's snug them up. After they're tight, continue on with your black protective covers.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.